Welcome back to Chandler Park Goat Stud. We are a full-blood Boer goat stud on the Riverina of New South Wales, Australia. So if you're following us on Facebook, you will know that one of the things I did recently was slash all the empty paddocks to try and reduce the worm burden. So far so good, but in the meantime, because I have cut it, I want to give it a boost to try and get it regrowing and shooting back up in time for the does to go in the paddock. So we pulled out the old Massey Ferguson here with the spray unit. So we've got a 400 litre spray unit, and we have got this 25 litres of nutrisoil, and it's basically just a posh worm juice. So all of that will go in, and I will spray that over the paddocks. We're not affiliated or anything like that, but we've got a guy up the road who does a lot of regenerative agriculture. He recommended them. I've been reading a bit about it and watching lots of YouTube stuff, and yeah, there's definitely something to it. And that's kind of what we're working out. The more we do this, is that when you're a farmer, you're not just farming your animals, you're farming the grass, you're farming the water, you're farming the soil. And if you get one thing wrong, then it all goes wrong. So yeah, alrighty, well I will get sorted and do some videoing. Hope you enjoy. Just giving it a bit of a rinse out before we put the worm juice in the inside of the spray unit. Whee! Because I have been spraying some of the weeds in the paddock, so probably wouldn't do it any harm, but because there's so many sort of microorganisms and things in the worm juice, I don't know what it would do to that. So I think I'll just give it a quick rinse, and good to go. Yeah, here's the old girl, Massey Ferguson, the old Fergie tractor. Roof's not in the best of shape, but it does the job. It's great. I love the thing. Smells good. Alrighty, if it sounds probably terrible, so you'll have to bear with me, but yeah, we are spraying out fresh natural worm juice on the beautiful paddocks. The boys seem quite impressed. Yeah, no mask, no nothing. Right, all natural. And hopefully, now I've just got to follow the blue line. Woohoo! Okay, cool. Well, that is all the paddock sprayed. So, alright, well, that's probably about it for today. Now we've got a bit coming on. So what is it today? Saturday today. On Wednesday morning, the sheep scanner's coming. So we're going to have another go at pregnancy testing, and hopefully we get some better results, because the vet found 3 that weren't pregnant, but then he wasn't happy that he couldn't guarantee that they weren't pregnant either. So really we didn't learn a lot. So this time round, hopefully, yeah, we'll get some answers. And it's a bit of a different process as well, so I will try and video that, because it's new to me and it's probably going to be new to you guys as well. So alrighty, I will see you on Wednesday. Back down the farm, we're just gonna get the goats and put them in the yards for the night. It's 5:30 on Tuesday night, so they've got to be without food, without water for the night. just to make it easier for the scanner to do his job in the morning. So yeah, let's go do this. Come on! These are the girls who are going to get pregnancy tested tomorrow. So fingers crossed we get some good news. Nearly ready to go. Going in here. Do 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 do.
Blue can lid off too, please. Come together, have a look.
Whoop. Okay, so I've taken them back to the yards. Sheep scanner. The sheep scanner's been, and you can see these have got red dots on their backs. And unfortunately, the red dot means they're not pregnant. So we need to go back to the drawing board, look at the times we put them in, and see for whatever reason why they didn't get in kid. But it is what it is. It's a learning process, and yeah, we'll just have a big spring joining. Anyway, that's it for this time. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, and yeah, hopefully we'll get some videos with some kids in soon. All right, catch ya.